You guys read the title. I bought another Corvette, another C6 Corvette at that, and even a boosted Corvette. Is it a ZR1? I don't know. It could be. It's right here. You guys just can't see it yet. Why? Why on earth did I buy another Corvette? Well, I didn't exactly buy another Corvette, but KM did, my dad. There's gonna be a new car that's gonna be seen, added to this channel, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. Check this baby out. Look how beautiful and clean this car is. I mean, there is literally 20,000 miles on this baby. Most of my Corvette fans out there probably have two questions right now. One, why is there a Z06 wheel on a Grand Sport Corvette? These are actually the Z06 rims from Smokey, my Corvette. We just have them on there right now because we are going to go burn them off. Burn off those old tires. So that's why. Second, you guys are probably thinking, you said it's boosted. This is a Grand Sport. Grand Sports aren't boosted. Not your typical Grand Sport, but let me pop the hood because this one is. You ready for the reveal? Yep, she's supercharged, baby. Edelbrock supercharger kit. I think it's called $599. Oh my gosh. We need some new arms for the hood. It's a $599 Edelbrock supercharger kit. It brings this thing up to 599 horsepower. We'll just call it 600. This thing rips, and I don't know if you guys seen inside yet or were paying attention, but it's also a manual. And it's a manual with a short throw shifter at that. Now you guys gotta wait to see the tires get burned off this bad girl, but I won't make you wait to hear it and hear that supercharger whine because it's freaking sick. Sounds so good. That's all we're gonna give you guys for now. But before we get too far into this thing, today is a big day for Smokey, my soon-to-be 1,000 horsepower Corvette. And hey, oh, you guys are like, soon? What do you mean soon? A year could be soon to some people. If I say you're gonna die in a year, you'd be like, that's soon. Anyway, today's a big day for Smokey because today is the day that we start wrapping Smokey and getting her looking pretty again. Without further ado, let's get right into that. Stick around to the end, and KM's gonna go burn the tires off of this Corvette. Today is the day. Not the day the car runs. Not the day we have 1,000 horsepower. But the day we finally get rid of the banana mobile. Smokey needs to look like Smokey. So this is our color right here. We're gonna be wrapping it this matte metal gray looking color. I think it's gonna be so cool. But have you ever wrapped a car before, Max?
No.
That's crazy. Not at all. I've never wrapped a car either. So thanks, you haven't wrapped a car, have you?
No.
Jake?
No idea, bro.
All right, thanks for answering, Jake. I think we don't understand how hard this is gonna be. We're gonna start easy, we're gonna work our way up. We didn't watch any videos on how to do this or anything until literally an hour ago. So we made a trip to Walmart to get some supplies, and there's one issue. They didn't have like some plastic squeegee type things that we needed. So should I show them what we got instead? This is our squeegees. So we're gonna just cut the heads off of these spatulas and
tear the wrap.
Yeah, rip it up, ruin it, scratch the crap out of it. We got some isopropyl alcohol, wrap everything.
Heat gun.
Heat gun we have.
We have that right
And
here.
we have some X-Acto. We're gonna start with a little test on the little flab for the gas. So we actually cleaned this thing for the first time since I bought it. After 9 months of ownership, we finally cleaned it for the first time. We didn't clay bar this. It's not anything that serious. So if this wrap just starts falling off while we're driving down the road, oh well, we'll do it better next time, I guess. But I think it's safe to say we can't do this. Yeah, we probably shouldn't even start. There we go. There's my tool, my squeegee. We're gonna wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol first, just to prep the surface. What after that, we need to start cutting the wrap, yeah. We don't have a tape measure, apparently. All of them are gone. We're just gonna have to eyeball this. It said to start in the center. Okay, now we need to work out. So let's take these and just kinda.
I think it's kind of working pretty good.
I think like obviously the corners and the edges are gonna be the most difficult part.
Dude,
This is gonna look good.
That looks sick.
I'm a little impressed with ourselves right now.
I'm actually very impressed. I actually thought we were gonna struggle a little more than that.
Shoot.
Is it durable?
No scratches. It doesn't look like it, right? Oh, you're lying. You're actually lying. I think we leave that as a little souvenir reminder. Not drop your pieces.
Redo it, or do you want to leave it?
No, I think we should just leave it.
Gives it character. Yeah.
Dang it, dude!
That looks good.
Should we go reattach it and see how it looks?
Yeah.
It's not perfect. When you look around the corners, you can really see it. But on the surface, it looks pretty good. And I honestly really like the color. I like it even more than I thought I would. So
I think for a test run, that's pretty good.
I think it is too. All right, close it.
That looks pretty good.
Don't look at it from the back because you can see a little bit of the bubbles around the edge. Like you said, we can come back and redo this.
That spatula's scratching it though.
Do you?
Yeah, look over here.
Oh my gosh. It's like really scratched. Yeah. All right, well, we might have to ditch the spatulas.
I didn't see that till right now when I went like this. That's pretty bad.
It's kind of hard to show it on camera, but that thing is like, it looked like someone took a wire brush on your paint.
That was the test run. At least now we know, because if we did the whole hood like that, then we'd be really mad. I should go get something right.
For some reason, you can't use 97-cent spatulas from Walmart. So stupid. Like, that's just so dumb, bro. We figured out our squeegee problem.
We think so.
We think so.
I think these are gonna be our best.
Oh my gosh, they're so much softer.
Yeah. They won't. This won't scratch.
Feels good.
Too much, and my scars remind me that the past is real. I tear my heart.
Is that working good?
Yeah, I think. Oh, hold on. Don't pull it so high up.
Alright, I'm trying. You look good? I think. You ready?
Okay. Okay.
I don't think you should be doing that with your hands.
Yeah, probably.
Now we need to just get a heat gun and work at it. How are you feeling about what we just did right there?
I don't know.
You get a little quiet over here.
Yeah, I think we need to like hold it.
I think maybe I shouldn't have done whatever I was.
Yeah. This isn't just sticking a sticker on it. It's tedious.
Right. Oh, dude.
Dude, these are gonna. I don't know if these are ever coming out.
We're learning, okay? I don't know why we started with the most visible part of the car, but if we start doing some sponsors, we'll just put the stickers over top of it, right?
Past is real. I tear my heart out.
Oh, shoot!
Dude, I'm making sure this thing's clean, but it's just scratching it. I feel like I'm barely trying. I know I said that.
Now what?
Now I gotta redo it.
Okay, let's just keep practicing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
We're gonna practice, and then we're gonna have to redo that. All right, after practicing, this is what we are looking like. It's a little rough. Got some mysterious marks, hole burned in. We don't know what this is.
Honestly, I don't know.
Some zebra striping.
It's raised, so you can feel it. We definitely learned from our mistakes, and we're ready to try it again because I think we did it all wrong. I think everything we did was the opposite of what you want to do.
So we may or may not be short on vinyl now because this is a big piece. I mean, we'll see. We're gonna try to do this again. We should have enough to at least get this hood done the right way. Yeah. And we definitely made quite a few mistakes. You ever wrapped a car before?
No, not at all.
We actually have part of the car wrapped. It's sitting on the table in there.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
Wow. That's good. We're gonna go with the body lines this time and go like this.
We tried this already, but it looked horrible.
We already wrapped the hood once. This is our second time.
I think you gotta start in the center because you gotta be able to work your air bubbles out to the side.
The guy we just watched said work from top to bottom.
just saying, like, even if we have to redo this whole hood, look at take 2 already.
Yeah, well,
Like,
from the first time to the second time, what we're looking like, I mean.
like this is to us like 95% perfect. To someone that does this every day, they're probably like everything is wrong. But
Yeah,
like,
they probably would never use this, but to us, this is like a 95%. I think that's pretty accurate for sure.
I've seen the wicked through the oval, destroying the man who lacks a strong mind. Human pride sings revenge for song.
Right. We actually wrapped one of the parts of the body of the Corvette. You want to set it on there and see what it looks like?
I'm proud of us.
I actually am too. I know this is probably the easiest part to the whole car to wrap, but I think we got this.
Banks goes, I think it's really good. If I paid for this, I'd be pissed, but it looks really good.
True. I think by the time we're on the very last panel of the car, it's gonna look perfect. And I think moving forward, we will know how to wrap a car pretty well. All right, well, time for wrapping day number 2. Max will be here with us in a little bit, but I got help from editor Jake today.
Let's go.
As you guys can see, we went ahead and took the fenders off the front because that's what we're gonna be tackling first. They're gonna be a lot more difficult than, you know, the hood was. We should take our badges off and all the little plastic trim pieces and wipe everything down. This car is still filthy from, you know, when it was out in California, not even from me, all this dust, all this dirt. So I definitely think this is a good opportunity to go clean this again. By the time we put all this back together, I want it to be like spotless. Oh my. What the heck?
I'm telling you, I told you, look, when I put it through there was no adhesive. There's a hole in the door. Why would there be a hole there?
Look at this. They painted over the old adhesive.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I wouldn't even do this, and that's saying something. Like, they painted over the old adhesive for the logo because they didn't want to have to do what we just did. Poor Smokey, dude. I don't even know what this thing has been through before we had it. Like, I can only imagine. We realized that there's something funky going on that other fender. As you guys can see, there's a hole in it. Maybe you guys can explain why that could be to me, but clearly, like, they didn't do what we just did and take off the adhesive. They just painted over it.
And then super glued it back on.
I mean, I don't know what the point of that is, because like literally, if you're repainting the car already, scratch the crap out of it, get it off of there, and sand it down after.
Is this not the original paint?
A lot of the spots, it's not. I mean, this
Really?
thing's already been totaled once. Remember?
True.
See over here on this fender. Look at all this overspray. Like, see these little black dots? That is all paint from them painting other stuff. There's like black overspray all over this. I don't know. These guys were just taking spray paint to this thing. You can see where the spray paint is down there from where they masked it off bad. The wrap will save it. Are we good on that end still?
A couple millimeters off, but if you say you can stretch.
Shoot, we want like 4 inches extra on each end. I'm like literally like maybe 2 millimeters over here too.
I'm not even over.
Alright, let's just take this sheet and set it on top of the Volvo for now. We're probably like using double the material to wrap this car that we're actually gonna need to by the time we're done with it. We are not doing this in an efficient manner by any means. It's either this or we don't get it done. And I think I might end up spending like double the cost of materials than we originally thought. This is just annoying. You guys like feel like you haven't been frustrated and angry in like a long time and you're kind of missing that? Go try to wrap your car. That is some advice I can give you. I don't know why, again, I made the same mistake as last time and was like, let's wrap it not on the car. I mean, like, it was over there, but like, it's none of it's tight and we bolted down. We gotta go put it back on over there and bolt it on. I think I might myself.
Why?
Just dropped like a whole socket set on the floor. And guess what? I bet you there's not one 10 millimeter in the entire. Ugh.
I have no idea how this happened.
It's bad. It's not good. We took the fenders off, then put them back on, then took it off again because we thought it'd be easier. Then we put it back on again.
How many times have you tried wrapping?
This is the first time. There's a hole right there.
Tiny little hole?
Yeah.
From like a ripple or something of it?
Yeah. You can see the yellow through it a little bit.
Show me how to lie, you're getting better all the time, and turning all against one is an art that's hard to teach. Another clever word sets off an unsuspecting hurt, and as you step back in the line,
Alright, you think this whole thing's savable? Like, do you want this on here?
I want to see how far we can
I
get.
just don't think this is gonna look good at all.
Well, yeah. I don't think so either. At what point do we just say, yeah, we're clearly not capable of this?
Friday.
Friday?
No, last Friday.
Oh, shoot. I don't need to be great, but I think this
looks like
isn't
crap.
even like,
This looks like
okay,
crap.
like-
People would laugh at us. I'd laugh if I seen this, you know?
Yeah, we kind of figured out that we are not capable of rapping how we thought we were. At least not yet, you see, because in the next couple of videos you guys are gonna be seeing, we actually hired a professional 3M certified rapper. Is that the right term? I don't really know. We're just gonna call him a rapper, okay? So we hired a rapper to come out here and he showed us all the ropes and now we actually know what we're doing. We're gonna get this finished in the next rapping video that comes out and it's gonna look sick. But now it's time to do what you guys have all been waiting for. And that is take out this new Corvette. Sorry KM, but I'm gonna go ahead and name it right now. We got Smokey, we got Dimitri. I'm gonna name the new one Whiny. And that's because it has a supercharger on it. So if you guys don't like it, I don't care. So we're gonna go fry these tires off of Whiny. For this bit, since it is my dad's car, I thought I'd let him pick the song that plays for the montage and all the cool moments. So let's get straight into this.
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River she can roll dry. The interest is up and the stock market's down, and you're only getting mugged if you go downtown.
It's so weird, dude. I didn't know that thing like only did one wheel peel.
Oh, shut up.
The woman and the kids and the dog and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
High tire pressure, traction control system off. Well, I knew that. Might have got a little hot. I'm gonna take off as soon as he gets here.
Let me get in, dude.
I had it in the wrong gear. I was gonna take off.
This thing is sweet, dude. Oh, you missed it, dude.
I missed third.
That's freaking awesome, dude.
She wants to go everywhere.
Oh my
When I had the
gosh.
good tires on, dude, it goes pretty straight.
Yeah, I believe you. Those ones are like so dry rotted and beat up.
I'd love to spit some beats nothing that dude's eyes and shoot him with my old 45. Cause the country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. Cause you can't stomp us out and you can't make us run. But when the old boys raised on the shotgun, we say great, we say man, and you ain't into that.
You better get off of this road.